Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see how you can utilize Pentest Tools to scan subdomains. So this particular resource is very useful for us, not only for scanning subdomains, but to do a lot of useful stuff. So let me just head over to the tools section, and over here you can see different types of tools that you get for information gathering, wherein you can see there is Google hacking, which is Google Docs. You can also identify domains, find subdomains, find virtual host, those hosts which are running onto the same IP address. You can also perform light website recon. For web application testing, they have website scanners, URL fuzzer, SQLi scanner, XSS scanner. They also give CMS test, which is the content management system test. And you can identify WordPress scanner, Drupal scanner, Joomla scanner to scan and detect vulnerabilities into these type of major CMS. They also provide infrastructure testing over here, as you can see, and we have the latest big IPCVE 2020-5902 as well, which is the FI big IP devices vulnerability, the remote code execution vulnerability, which lies under the TMUI component. All right. But for now, we are going to use this for a subdomain. So let us just quickly head on to subdomains, and we are going to type here, let's say our target be uber.com, and hit enter. When I will just hit enter, it will start scanning uber.com for all the subdomains, as well as it will query its DNS server, and it will identify how many subdomains are there, and it will give the results in couple of seconds. As you can see, it has already started identifying the subdomains. So it has identified docs, management, privacy, events, login, API. Also, it is trying to identify the server. As you can see, this is running on OpenResty. This is running on Nginx. The technology also, it is identifying the web platform as well. So as you can see, this application eng.uber is running on a WordPress 1.0.0. Sometimes what happens is the installation or setup of these CMS are not done properly, or there are some of the vulnerabilities in a WordPress plugins. So you can just test these particular subdomain using the WP scan or the WordPress scanner, and you will be able to know if it is vulnerable to any remote code execution exploit or any other vulnerability. Generally, WordPress is considered to be very vulnerable because of its plugins. So let us see more results that we have got. Let me just scroll down, and you can see we are getting more subdomains. So a lot of more subdomains: email, profiles, blog, direct, free, video. So these are the subdomain that we are getting. So as you can see over here, total of 49 subdomain details it has identified using DNS enumeration. Remember, pentesttools.com, the report that we are getting right now over here is the light version, which means we will not get all the features. As you can see, get a pro account to unlock the feature, the full capabilities of this particular scanner, but we do not require that. So we will just use the free version because it gives us much useful information as well. So you can see over here, we have identified total of 50 subdomains, and you can utilize these subdomains for hunting. So you can just pick any random subdomain. You can see if there is any web application which has been hosted, you can try starting hunting on it. If the application is new or is not being tested by any other researchers, the chances would be much more higher that you end up finding a valid vulnerability. So I hope you guys understood how you can use Pentest tools to identify subdomains. Thank you.